Welcome. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. 7 Health Benefits of Eating an Egg Daily. Do you know a whole egg contains all the nutrients required to turn a single cell into a baby chicken? A single large, boiled egg contains vitamin A, folate, vitamin B5, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, phosphorus and selenium. Eggs also contain decent amounts of vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium, and zinc. The moderate amount of fat in an egg is about 5 grams and is mostly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat. Eggs and cholesterol. Do you know one large egg yolk has 200 milligrams of cholesterol, making it one of the richest sources of dietary cholesterol? It's very important to know the difference between dietary cholesterol and cholesterol in the blood, which are only weakly related. The fact which we don't know is blood cholesterol levels increase due to fats and carbohydrates in our diets, but not the amount of cholesterol you eat from food. Even though it is crucial to reduce the amount of cholesterol you eat, especially if you have diabetes, for most people, dietary cholesterol is not as problematic as once believed. The body needs cholesterol as a starting point to make estrogen, testosterone, vitamin D, and other vital compounds. Cholesterol in the bloodstream, specifically, the bad LDL cholesterol, is what's most important in determining health risks. Monitor your LDL levels and they should be lower all the time. Are eggs healthy? Eggs will raise HDL cholesterol. HDL stands for high-density lipoprotein. It is known as the good cholesterol. Eating eggs is a great way to increase HDL. Eggs contain choline, which is an essential nutrient that most people don't get enough of. It is a nutrient that most people don't even know exists. Still, it is an incredibly important substance and is often grouped with the B vitamins. Choline helps build cell membranes and has a role in producing signaling molecules in the brain, along with various other functions. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that have major benefits for eye health. Eggs and omega-3 fatty acids. Not all eggs are created equal. Their nutrient composition changes depending on how the hens were fed and raised. Eggs from hens that were raised on pasture or fed omega-3 enriched feeds will be much higher in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 or pastured eggs lower the triglycerides. Eggs and proteins. Proteins are the main building blocks of the human body. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, with a single large egg containing 6 grams of it. Eating enough protein can help with weight loss, increase muscle mass, lower blood pressure, and optimize bone health, to name a few. Eggs can lower the risk of breast cancer. As per research study at Harvard, eggs can lower the risk of breast cancer. This was most beneficial when eggs were consumed in adolescence. However, a later study showed that women consuming at least 6 eggs every week had a 44% reduction in the risk of breast cancer than women who ate fewer eggs. The choline in eggs is also a protectant against breast cancer risk. Eggs and heart disease risk. 2 large prospective cohort studies, nearly 40,000 men and over 80,000 women, found that 1 egg per day is good to have by healthy people and is not associated with increased heart disease risk. Eggs were previously linked with heart disease risk due to their high cholesterol content. However, a substantial body of research shows that for most people, cholesterol in food has a smaller effect on blood levels of total cholesterol, and the harmful LDL cholesterol is the mix of fats and carbs in the diet. People who cannot control the total and LDL cholesterol may need to be cautious about eating egg yolks and instead, choose foods made with egg whites. The same is true for people with diabetes. If you are diabetic, be cautious about eating egg yolks and instead choose foods made with egg whites. In studies, including the Nurses' Health Study and Health Professionals Follow-up Study, heart disease risk was increased among men and women with diabetes who ate 1 or more eggs a day. For people who have diabetes and heart disease, it may be best to limit egg consumption to no more than 3 yolks per week. A study published in May in the journal Heart found that an egg a day just may keep the doctor away for healthy people. What are you waiting for? Just start eating an egg a day if you have no medical conditions. Healthy Eating Girl is an informative nutritional website that provides factual knowledge from researched peer-reviewed articles.